Hi, Sands Roofing Siding here. We're gonna replace some skylights today for this homeowner. And so what you do first when you're replacing the skylights is we actually have one inside, but you put a tarp or drop cloth underneath the skylight. Then what we're doing is we're going ahead and we're loosening up the shingles and removing some shingles from around the skylight. Okay, so we have the old shingles removed from around the skylight and all the flashing system. And then what we're gonna do is we're getting the new skylight up here so it's ready. So once we take this skylight out, we can put the new one right in. So kind of what you'll see, you saw the before, and then here's a good shot of what the flashing system looks like with the shingles removed. And then what we do is remove the top pieces of flashing, and then we remove everything else. So now all that we are going to have to do is just cut along the old ice and water shield right there, pop it up. Went ahead and swept around it really good, so then nothing really falls in. All right, so now we got the new skylight set, and what we do is we have someone on the inside to make sure that we line up correctly with it. So then we go ahead and set it, make sure everything's good, temporarily nail it down, and then we're going to install the ice and water shield around it and get it prepped for roofing. All right, so this is one thing the homeowners wanted on here was the solar operating Velux Skylights with the shade. So right now we just literally installed them, and oh, we got both of them going. They're having a race. All right, so here we got the skylights in, both of them in, and then the white that you see there is the ice and water shield that comes with the Velux flashing kit. So now we're gonna go ahead and shingle this up. This is right here is the bottom pan piece. Got another piece of ice and water shield over everything in the middle there. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna shingle it away and I'll take a finish video. All right, so here's the skylights all finished and flashed in and shingled in. Now, we went ahead and installed the GF shingles with these, and you could just tell the age differences between the two, but they're the same shingles, same manufacturer, just difference in age. So yeah, really like the way this turned out though, and now the homeowners can enjoy their solar shades anytime they want on a non-cloudy day. So if there's anything we could help you with as far as skylights go, or windows, or doors, or soffit fascia gutters, roofing, siding, decking, give us a call or visit our website at www.stansroofinginsiding.com.